is the complex elevator at the Doubletree Hotel in Jefferson City, Missouri. The ThyssenKrupp Signal 4 from 2008. So here we go. Let's start. We'll go down this. So here we go. And here it is. This goes to the fitness center and the pool. Let's go down to the ground. Here we go. This one's hydraulic. Here at the ground, which is the pool. Let's go to 2. Here we go. Listen to the motor. Silent motor. Very, very quiet. Here are 2, which is the fitness center. Let's go back down to the lobby. These are features, Signal 4 features, phone down there, fornicator, ThyssenKrupp elevator. Here at the lobby. Alright, that's it.